Okay, this is how to crow's foot texture small repairs. Usually you would use a very large brush. This is a crow's foot texture brush. You would use this like that with mud all over it. This is how you get this kind of texture right there. You use this. But this is very big and it's hard to get into small areas. You make a huge mess with this thing doing small repairs. So the way to do a small repair is get you a soft angled brush. This is a Purdy. They're not cheap, but you want a soft angled 3-inch brush. Make your mud fairly thick, like a very thick milkshake. You don't want it, well, it depends on how thick your texture is on the wall. But for this, if you want a thicker texture, I make the mud, I don't thin it too much. First, you just slap the mud on there, get it on there, kind of paint it on. Then just start dabbing your brush, texturing it up, get you a little, scoot it around, just really do whatever you want to make it match. You just kind of dab your brush a little sideways like that. Works good. A little more mud. And just get you a nice glob on there, but don't let it slop it on there. Just kind of work it around a little bit and start texturing. You notice I haven't had any drips. Getting in the corners is a little tricky. I just usually paint some mud, get some mud. Paint it along that edge right there. Paint it along that edge right there. Just kind of paint your mud on. Then start dabbing. Just try to match what's already on there. You can use the side, you can use the front, use any part of the brush you want to just kind of dab this stuff on there. Gotta get a little more because this is kind of a thick texture. Slop it on there. Keep working it, working it, working it until you get it. You have plenty of time because this stuff takes a long time to dry. You go all different directions. go all different directions. Oops, got a little right there. Just wipe it off. And that's not too bad. I will continue working on it a little bit just to get it a little better. But that's basically how you do it. Just like that. And then I have to do that spot right there. And I have to do that spot right there. But you see, this gets in those little tight spots a lot better. Okay, that's how to do a crow's foot texture on small repairs.